In JavaScript, the ceil function from the math object rounds up to the next largest integer. For example, ceil of 4 and 5/100ths rounds to 5, as that is the next largest integer. Ceil of negative numbers stays consistent, but you have to think about it for a bit. Ceil of negative 4 and 5/100ths rounds to negative 4. It seems backwards when you're not thinking, but negative 4 is the next largest integer. In JavaScript, the round function of the math object rounds to the nearest whole number. Round uses classic rounding rules, rounding down if the digit after the whole number is below 5, and rounding up if the digit after the whole number is 5 or above. For example, if you pass 4.2 to round, round would return 4. This is all well and good, but certainly you want to be able to round a number to a certain number of decimal places. Let's say we wanted to round pi to 2 decimal places. Here's the code you would write. You pass into math.round the number you want to round to a certain number of places multiplied by 10 to the power of the number of places you want to round the number to. We wanted to round to 2 places, so we would put in 2 here. You divide the return value of math.round by 10 to the power of the number of places you want to round to. So again, we divide it by 10 to the second power. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.